Hercules Pro Poxy Triple Play has 3 types of 2-part epoxy putties formulated to repair or rebuild steel, copper, or plastic. The bluish-gray colored epoxy is for plastic, and the color changes to off-white when it's mixed and it cures. It sets up in about 20 minutes. It's fully cured after 24 hours. The copper-colored epoxy is for copper, brass, bronze, and other non-ferrous metals. It sets up in about 3 minutes. It's fully cured in 24 hours. The black-colored epoxy is for steel. It sets up in about 5 minutes. It's fully cured after 24 hours. And after curing, the epoxies can be drilled, sanded, filed, and painted. You would break off or cut off the amount you need, mix the putty thoroughly till it's one uniform color, make sure the surface to be repaired is clean and dry, and press the epoxy firmly onto the surface, forcing it into depressions or cracks. Remove excess before it sets, and to smooth it to the surface, you can use a damp finger or a tool.